FDA Circular 2016-4. Procedures on the use of the new application form for license to operate through the FDA electronic portal. For all establishments regulated by FDA. FDA Circular 2016-4 Guidelines. This new application system will be on pilot run from June 1st to August 31st, 2016. Mandatory use of this web-based application form shall be strictly implemented nationwide starting September 1st, 2016, with no exemptions. Applicant companies who wish to use the new application form during the pilot run may start using the medium based on the following schedules per sector, starting June 1st, 2016. Drugstores. Retail outlets for non-prescription drugs or RONPDs. Contract research organizations or sponsors. And distributors. Starting August 1st, 2016. Manufacturers. Applicant companies are required to provide true, correct, updated, and complete information pertaining to their type of application. Refer to Administrative Order 2016-3, Guidelines on the Unified Licensing Requirements and Procedures of the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for initial and renewal applications, and for application for variation. Documentary requirements should follow the prescribed specifications. Must be in PDF file format, free from bugs, viruses, and the like. Must be scanned and have 100 to 150 dots per inch, DPI, resolution. Must be less than 40 characters and should not contain the following special characters. Application process. Step 1. Prepare the requirements. Step 2. Request for a user account. Step 3. Accomplish the ELTO. Step 1. Prepare the requirements. The requirements are stated in the Administrative Order 2016-3, entitled Guidelines on the Unified Licensing Requirements and Procedures of the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for initial and renewal applications, and for application for variation. Step 2. Request for user account. Accomplish the authorization letter for ELTO user account application, which can be found on Annex B, FDA Circular 2016-4. Send a request for user account to pair@fda.gov.ph following the format, subject, request for ELTO user account, body, A. Email address, B. Name of the authorized company representative, C. Position in the company, D. Contact number, or E. Company name. It is highly suggested that the company email address should be used. The authorized company representative is preferably permanently employed and not merely a consultant. The user account will be sent to the company email address provided in the body of the email and not to the sender's email address. The user account, username and password, is company specific and is valid for 1 year. The FDA should be duly notified of any changes concerning the authorized representative or reactivation of the user account through PAIR at fda.gov.ph. Reactivation request should be sent to PAIR at fda.gov.ph within 3 months after the expiration of the user account. Issuance of the user account is within 2 working days upon receipt of the complete and compliant request. Requests received beyond 5 p.m. on regular working days and during holidays, Saturdays, and Sundays shall be processed on the next working day. Step 3. Accomplish the ELTO. Visit the FDA website at www.fda.gov.ph. Click the portal on the right corner of the FDA website. Log into the portal using the issued username and password. On the home page, choose New Case and click License to Operate v2.0. Read and fully understand the declaration and undertaking, and click I agree to proceed. Under the General Information, choose the appropriate product type, primary activity, and type of application. Each primary activity has its applicable sub-options. Accomplish the general information appropriately. Under the establishment information, provide the complete name of the establishment, tax identification number, and contact details. Under the address part, provide the needed information. Using the Show Map tool, move the arrow to the exact location of the establishment. The GPS coordinates will be automatically updated when you move the arrow. Click the Submit button. Under the details of the authorized officer, provide the needed information. Under the details of the applicant, provide the needed information. Upload the required documents in PDF format as to the type of the LTO application. The system-generated order of payment reflecting the appropriate fees and charges can be downloaded by clicking Open. Payment can be made using the existing FDA payment mechanism. Under the assigned task, click Continue. It is important to click Continue, otherwise, the application will not be received and processed by FDA.